Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, Hasnuddin from BHMCT final year, on behalf of Sri Shakti College of Hotel Management, extend a warm welcome to our Executive Director, Madam Ms. Satya Pinjala, and Director, Madam Mrs. Yamuna Rangarao. We have amongst us Mr. Ravi Pinjala, Board Member and Head Director Marketing. We acknowledge the presence of Rotarians Rajakrishna, President Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills, and Rotarian Ravindra, DRCC District 3150. Our Principal, Mr. Anish Banerjee, Principal, IHM Shri Shakti, Mrs. Anita Chandran. Our HOD, Chef Chandrasekhar, faculty, staff, and all our students who are participating in this annual ritual of cake mixing ceremony. Today, we have gathered here for a ritual religiously followed by the world all over, as it is said to be a harbinger of good findings and happiness. This stirring ceremony is a part of an age old Christmas tradition of cake mixing, and one makes wishes for the new year. The ingredients of the festive fruit cake are mixed with wine, liquor, nuts, spices, and juices in advance so that the ingredients can develop aroma and taste. Christmas is no fun without this traditional plum cake. Preparations begin several weeks in advance. On this occasion, we have a welcome speech by the principal, Mr. Anish Banerjee. Our principal, Mr. Anish Banerjee, is a 1991 alumni of IHM Bhubaneswar. After his industrial stint in the industry in various capacities, his academic stint was in F&B at DSMS, Durgapur, and later on as HOD at IHM Hajipur. His website is a guide to hospitality professionals globally, and his recently developed hotel software, HOCS, is now being used as a tool for operational controls for GMs in hotels. He is also the founder member and treasurer of both East India Culinary Association and also ISHE. He took over the mantle as principal of SSCHM in the year 2018 and never looked back. He has been a very hands-on principal and educator with various student-centric activities. He is instrumental in many CSR works undertaken by SSCHM Rotaract Club. Sri Shakti College of Hotel Management has scaled newer heights with him being at the helm of academic affairs. I invite sir to deliver welcome address.
Thank you, Hassan. A very good evening. It is indeed a pleasure to have our Executive Director, Mrs. Satya Pinjala, who has joined with us online. I welcome you, ma'am. It's also a pleasure to have Mrs. Yamuna Rangarao, our Director. She has also joined online. A pleasure to have Rotarian Mr. Raja Krishna and Rotarian Mr. Ravindra. Thank you, sir, for spending your time and giving to us the students. The students have joined online, so they'll be watching all of us. A good gesture from Mr. Ravi Pinjala. He has taken his time out and he has joined us in this cake mixing ceremony. And also, thank you, madam, again taking time out and joining us for this cake mixing ceremony. We always had this ceremony of cake mixing in a very flamboyant manner every year. And it was one of the events of the college. But unfortunately, because of this COVID situation, we had to tone it down. But nevertheless, we are unstoppable. SSCHM is unstoppable. And we have made it possible, although with a small crowd, joined by a huge number of students online, to make sure that the event is there. So I wish this event today that we are doing is continued year after year, and so that we keep the tradition of SSCHM always ahead. So with this, I welcome all the guests, even our faculty members, our staff, our students who have joined online, right, to be a part of this, participate in that, and make the event a success one. So thank you. Have a good day, everybody, and let's make the event grand one. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your kind and motivating words. We sure do miss all the fun we had in college. Moving on, Rotarian K. Ravindra hails from Vizag. He is the general manager in RDS Systems Private Limited, which is into global media relations. He started his stint with Rotary Club of Vizag, District 3020. In 2006, he moved to Hyderabad and joined the prestigious Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills. He served the club as president in 2009 and 10. In his term as president, Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills, he hosted several prestigious events such as District Awards Night and Twin City Republic Day event. He served as fellowship chair for Twin City President Forum in 2009 and 10. He has notable achievements to his name for the relentless work. I invite Rotarian Ravindra, District Rotaract Committee Chairman, District 3150, to honor us with his speech.
Hi, hello everybody, great evening. I can't give any speeches now for the two reasons. One is sitting next to the liquids and the yummy dry fruits looking at that. And second thing is eagerly waiting to see what's going to happen, how you are going to do that. That's all. And anyway, congratulations. Always, as always, you are doing a great job and keep it up. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable words. Moving on, Rotarian C.A. Rajakrishna joined Rotary in the year 2014 and held many positions like Sergeant at Arms, Joint Secretary, Director, Club Administrator and Secretary in the club, and many more at district level. He became Paul Harrier's fellow member in 2015. He contributed $1,000 to the named endowment created by the Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills in 2018-19. This was the first named endowment in the Rotary District 3150. I invite Rotarian Rajakrishna, President, Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills, to honor us with his words.
Sacha Pinjala Madam, Emna Garu, and principals, college principals, Rotaractors, and DRCC Ravindra, and especially Ravi Pinjala Garu. Thanks for joining. And it is always special to attend any meeting of Rotaract Club of Sri Shakti College. We always, during the year, we always wait to attend this special event. I think they have arranged very nicely, and we are very eager to see the cake mixing. And Rotaract Club of Sri Shakti College is doing a wonderful events during the year. This year, of course, due to COVID, they are restricted to 2-3 events. After once the COVID is closed, I think they will do very good projects and they will become the best in the district. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable message. I am sure that all the ideas of our club Rotaractors would take our club to greater heights. Now, we have a small audiovisual presentation by Chef in Charge Annadurai. He would be highlighting the intricacies of cake mixing. Technical team, can we have the AV, please?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to you all on this traditional fruit mixing ceremony 2020. I am Chef Annadurai, Senior Chef Faculty, organizing this event since 1989. This very much traditional and ceremonial fruit mixing starts the holy season of Christmas. In the preparation, we add dry fruits such as dates, raisin, sultana, fig, glazed cherry, tutti frutti, cashew nut. To enrich the flavor, we also add ginger peel, orange peel, lemon peel, and spices like cinnamon, cardamom, clove, etc. Traditionally, this fruit mixture is macerated with precious homemade wines, liquor, and fruit juices. This process of maceration induces a distinct aroma in the cake. The kind of liquor and the wine used in the maceration determine the class of aroma it induces in the cake. So one should be wise enough in selection of liquor. Christmas cake, a rich fruit cake, is popularly known as plum cake. It is a moist, dark brown with plenty of dry fruits and nuts in it. Christmas celebrations are never a complete one without plum cake. So let us all begin the celebration. I wish you a very happy advance Christmas to all. Thank you.
Thank you. That was indeed very informative and eye-catching. Moving on, now we request our board member and head digital marketing, Mr. Ravi Pinjala, to share a few words.
So we're all gathered here today and on this special day where we are going to mix all these flavors together. And I feel this is a very important thing that we have been doing for a long time now, because it's something that brings the entire institution together, especially the students and the staff. And I've always loved coming to such an event and spending time and getting to know the students of that batch and getting to know them better and giving them a chance to express their feelings for the college. So I know the effort that has been put into this and the time taken to arrange it in such a beautiful manner. So keep up the good work and let's get mixing.
Thank you, sir. It is indeed our pleasure to have you among us, and thank you for motivating us. Moving on, her awe-inspiring personality and steady resolve are both our inspiration and motivation to keep on raising the bar of academic excellence at Sri Shakti Educational Institutions. With over 60 years of experience in the field of hospitality educations, various doors open with just her name. Her aura is vibrant and captivating. She is indeed a blessing to have and guides us in all educational aspects. I am privileged to introduce you, respected Director Madam Yamuna Rangarao. Ma'am, I request you to address the gathering. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you very much for the good words and good evening to all of you. It's indeed a pleasure to be associated with the college, and I'm really happy that today also I'm there to witness with the cake mixing, even though it is online. Virtually, we are there, and as our Rotarian said, I can also smell the aroma of all the spices and the liquor, and it's so encouraging and refreshing. And I'm sure the college will do and come to greater heights. I only would like to wish all of you all the best. God bless all of you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. And I'm sure next year will be a very, very good year, and everybody will be really happy, and we will be able to celebrate the Christmas in a bigger way, not just virtually, but in real manner also. Thank you very much.
And captivating words. We are indeed looking forward to celebrating Christmas next year. Moving on, I would like to introduce our Executive Director, Satya Pinjala Madam. Mrs. Satya Pinjala is not only an accomplished entrepreneur, but also wears many hats. She is the Executive Director for Sri Shakti Educational Society. She is the Director of Sri Shakti Resorts and Hotels Limited, Director, Family World, and also an active member of the Rotary Club. She is the recipient of the Rotary Vocational Excellence Award and CSR Award. She is an epitome of grace and vouches for women empowerment. This being our 27th year of operation, studying under her able guidance at SSCHM is indeed an icing on the cake for all the students here. Even in this pandemic, she takes great interest in college academics and infrastructure. Ma'am, I request you to share a few words on this occasion. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you very much for such inspirational, encouraging words. A very good evening to all our colleagues and our friends from Rotary, Rotarian Raja Krishna and Rotarian Ravindra. It's so nice to have you amongst us for special occasions like this. And all the faculty, staff, and dear students. It's really a privilege and a pleasure to be with you all on this occasion of a fruit mixing ceremony. We do miss, being there in person, but the spirit of participating is what matters. So we are very much there. First of all, let me congratulate you all for making such excellent arrangements. I could see the table with the colorful fruit, that is arranged for ready to be mixed. So yeah, I miss that. I really miss that, as I'm not going to do it in the college. So I just want to wish you all on this season for festivity. As we all are aware, every year we have this event of cake mixing, wherein we ring the bell for the festivities of Christmas and New Year, and so on. And it's not just the cake mixing or the sale. It is we have associated ourselves with the charity. Whatever is the sale proceeds we have from the sale of cakes, part of it goes for charity purpose, be it for to an orphanage or an old age home, or any other charity that the road tractors and the students feel fit, we donate. So I'm so happy, and I would like to congratulate principal, staff, and faculty there, and especially the students for doing such good work in the college in the name of sale of cakes. I must say, Rotary has become a part of our operations. The students are getting excellent exposure, extending social service to the society. And I'm happy about the way our senior Rotarians get involved and encourage our students in doing excellent work, be it blood donation, be it food donation, or clothes, medicines, you just name it, they're there everywhere for any cause, any need. I really appreciate what is being done by our road tractors. Keep up the good work. And I really hope and wish and look forward for the continuous support from Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills. And yes, as Ravindra said, it's so colorful. I think his presence itself is, we have Mr. Raja Krishna as well as Ravindra there. Their presence itself is, good enough. I don't think we need to have any celebrity or any film star there. So I'm happy that they are here to be part of our event. So I look forward for good sale of cakes for this season. Let us see how we could, extend this goodwill to the old age home as well as the orphanages. And yes, we are there with the Rotary Club of Jubilee Hills for any social activity that they would plan for. Our students are always there to help you. And we ourselves from Shakti College of Hotel Management and IHM Sri Shakti will be extending many social programs to make it a great Rotary year. I congratulate all the team members here for coming up with such an excellent program. Though on a virtual platform, we wish to see all of you very soon, and then make sure that we participate in personally to be part of such excellent program. So all the very best, and make sure that the cakes are sold as we have done last year, bringing in good revenues that we can really contribute this amount to someone in need. Thank you very much, and all the very best.
Thank you, ma'am, for inspiring us. We sure hope this new year brings us new beginnings and safer beginnings. Moving on. Wow, the table seems to be set and inviting. The aroma is in the air. I can visualize the plum cakes being baked around Christmas. Every year, it is a grandiose event in college. Keeping in mind the civic distancing norms and safety measures due to the global crisis, this year mixing is done by the SSCHM team, but in our minds, we are all at the table. Nonetheless, a cake mixing kit comprising of essential ingredients have been sent to our dignitaries at their respective locations. Let's have a view of the table. I request Executive Director Madam and Director Madam to open their cake mixing kits and mix the fruits along with us. I request Chef Annadurai, our production department in charge, to take over the event here and guide us through.
Good evening, one and all. May I request all the dignitaries to join on the main table, please. Similarly, I request our Executive Director Ma'am and Director Madam to join us with their kit. The same fruits, nuts, liquor and fruit juices are provided. Also spices to you, ma'am. Now we have different types of fruits are displayed on the table. Dates, sultana, raisin, cashew nut, tutti frutti, and some spices like cinnamon, cardamom, and clove are there. And the liquor side, we have 2 types of liquor and 3 fruit juices. Grape wine also available on the table.
Madam, are you all comfortable with the kits? You have aprons,
Very nice.
caps.
Very nice. Really nice.
The cap is also there on the tray,
Yeah.
and also a pair of gloves.
Yes. This is brandy.
Once you all are ready, we'll start mixing out here.
One is orange juice. This is apple juice. All spice.
So we are ready. Can we start?
Yeah, we are ready. I have the spatula here to make
Ma'am, you can add one by one.
one by one. Okay. This is red wine. Rum.
Ma'am, you're going very fast.
You can add liquor.
Yeah.
You can have a liquor first.
Yeah, I did that. Only brandy is left. I pour that also.
Ma'am, you have a liquor, please add. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Spices.
Then wine,
Spice.
then fruit juices.
Okay. Then wine. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what do we have? Apple juice.
This is cranberry juice.
Then the orange juice.
Yes, ma'am. Cranberry juice. Yes, ma'am.
Cranberry juice.
Berry juice.
Spices.
Yes. The spices.
Spices.
Yes, ma'am. The last one is spices. At
Yes,
last,
yes.
we are adding spices. Yeah, that is spices. Yes, ma'am. Now you can mix the fruits, ma'am, in the
I
bowl.
have mixed it.
use your spatula for mixing the fruits.
Yes, yes.
The same time you are also we are
Yes,
mixing the fruits, ma'am.
very thoughtful of all of you to make this arrangement. So we're not missing any fun. You're part of the event.
Thank you. We are missing you, ma'am.
We are very much here. So, here.
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
Something new we are learning.
Yes.
Exactly. I'm coming.
I hope you're enjoying out there. Ready? The mixture is ready with
Yes,
all the spices and all the wines and liquors and juices.
yes, yes.
Enjoying, madam? Did you enjoy the mixing?
The comfort of my, sitting in my house. Very thoughtful of all of you.
You have the entire set on the tray. There's a small baking dish also. If you wish to bake a small portion at home, it is your prerogative. Otherwise, on 22nd of December at 3 p.m., we will have an online baking class by Chef Annadurai.
Oh, good.
And he will teach how to bake the Christmas cake. So we will have, exactly ma'am, exactly. So he will show how to bake the cake. So we can all be online to learn how to bake and then make a preparation for Christmas. We'll give a small portion to Anita madam also, since we did not get it last year. So she can learn. So on 22nd December, 3 p.m., lock the date and time. We'll have a small online session then.
Sure, we will be attending.
People will come in batches and mix the. Oh, how we missed the Santa this year. The event materialized in a unique way, but the spirit of the ritual is the same. To keep up with the Christmas spirit, we have a carol being played and enjoy the flavor.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing this sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed his lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upsot. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Moving on, I now request our head of the department, Chef Chandrasekhar, to present the vote of thanks.
Good evening, all. It gives me an immense pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks on this festive gathering. On behalf of college, I extend my special thanks to our Executive Director, Ms. Satya Pinjala, Director, Ms. Yamuna Rangarao, Board Member, Mr. Ravi Pinjala, Ms. Anita Chandran, Principal IHM Sri Shakti. I also take immense pleasure in extending our sincere and special thanks to Rotarian Raja Krishna, President RCJH, and Rotarian Ravindran, DRCC District 3150, for spending their valuable time and gracing this occasion. I extend my gratitude to Mr. Anish Banerjee, Principal, Sri Shakti College of Hotel Management, faculty, and staff for tremendous effort to make the event a grand success. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. I, on behalf of Sri Shakti College of Hotel Management, thank you all for your precious time spent with us. We are deeply gratified. Thank you.